What if I told you that just 20 minutes among trees could fundamentally change how your body handles stress? Not tomorrow, not next month, but today. Scientists have discovered something remarkable. Nature isn't just relaxing, it's actively reprogramming your nervous system at a cellular level. This is the forest bathing effect, and it's more powerful than most people realize. The Japanese call it Shinrin-yoku, which literally translates to taking in the forest atmosphere. But this isn't just ancient wisdom or wellness marketing. Major research institutions, including Japan's Chiba University and Stanford University, have spent decades studying exactly what happens to your brain and body when you immerse yourself in nature. The results are nothing short of transformative. Let's talk about cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. When you're stuck in traffic, dealing with deadlines, or scrolling through anxiety-inducing news, cortisol floods your system. Studies show that after just 20 minutes in a forest environment, cortisol levels drop by an average of 13%. Your body literally shifts from fight or flight mode into rest and digest mode. This isn't relaxation, it's biological recalibration. But the magic doesn't stop with cortisol. Your heart rate variability increases during forest bathing, which is a key indicator of nervous system flexibility and resilience. Meanwhile, your blood pressure drops, sometimes by as much as 5 to 7 points systolic. These aren't minor changes, they're clinically significant improvements that doctors usually try to achieve with lifestyle interventions or medication. Here's where it gets truly fascinating. Trees release compounds called phytoncides, which are natural oils that protect them from germs and insects. When you breathe in these airborne chemicals, something extraordinary happens. Your body responds by increasing natural killer cells, the white blood cells that fight infections and even tumor cells. One forest bathing session can boost these immune cells for up to 30 days. The prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for rumination and worry, shows decreased activity during nature exposure. Meanwhile, areas associated with empathy, emotional regulation, and creativity light up. Researchers using brain imaging have literally watched stress networks quiet down while restoration networks activate. It's like hitting a reset button for your mental operating system. You don't need to trek deep into wilderness to access these benefits. Urban parks, tree-lined streets, even botanical gardens trigger similar responses. The key factors are visual exposure to greenery, natural sounds instead of mechanical noise, and the absence of digital screens. Research shows that 120 minutes per week is the threshold for significant health benefits, which breaks down to less than 20 minutes daily. The sensory experience matters enormously. When you practice forest bathing intentionally, engage all 5 senses. Notice the texture of bark, the patterns of leaves, the smell of soil and pine. Listen to bird calls and rustling branches. This multisensory engagement amplifies the stress-reducing effects because it forces your attention into the present moment, interrupting the anxiety loops that typically dominate our thinking. Technology creates what researchers call directed attention fatigue. Your brain must constantly filter notifications, make decisions, and suppress distractions. Nature offers soft fascination, things that gently capture your attention without demanding cognitive effort. Watching clouds drift, leaves flutter, or water flow requires no mental strain, allowing your attention systems to recover and recharge. Temperature plays a role too. The cooler, more humid air in forests increases oxygen levels and negative ions, which are associated with improved mood and mental clarity. Even the color green itself has physiological effects. Studies show it reduces muscle tension and blood pressure more effectively than other colors. Nature has essentially optimized itself to be the perfect stress antidote. For maximum benefit, leave your phone in airplane mode or behind entirely. The mere presence of a smartphone, even when not in use, has been shown to reduce cognitive capacity and increase anxiety. Forest bathing works best when you're fully disconnected from digital demands. Think of it as a biological reboot. Your nervous system needs uninterrupted time to recalibrate. The cumulative effects build over time. People who regularly engage in forest bathing report better sleep quality, reduced depression and anxiety symptoms, and improved focus that lasts well beyond the nature experience itself. It's not just about feeling good in the moment, you're training your nervous system to maintain lower baseline stress levels. This is preventive medicine in its purest form. Starting today, you can access this ancient biological program. Find 20 minutes, locate the nearest green space, and simply be present. No special equipment, no expensive memberships, no complicated techniques. Your body already knows what to do with nature. Millions of years of evolution have hardwired this response. You just need to show up and let it happen. If this video opened your eyes to the science-backed power of nature, hit that like button and subscribe for more evidence-based wellness content. Share this with someone who needs a stress reset. And most importantly, go outside today. Your nervous system is waiting for its forest bath, and 20 minutes from now, you could feel completely different. The forest is ready when you are.